How to save your job for life. You're welcome to OS Jeremiah Entrepreneurship Learning Channel. Thanks for learning here always. Please view this video live so that it will cover your screen because I dedicated this channel for me to tell you and show you the big things you can make by using that your mobile, that browsing phone on your hand. So how can you save your life? How can you save your job to the end of the generation? Number one, these are the big three things you need to know for you to be on the safer side. Number one, artificial intelligence. You know, a lot of people are creating content, writing copy for the company quiet for so many ways, but now suddenly in year 2022, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence came out, and a lot of companies expect their workers. But year 2022 was a very terrible year. Even Facebook, Coinbase, the biggest companies in the entire world expelled or eliminated their workers, around 10,000 workers in average. So this is telling you that you need to get prepared. Artificial intelligence and robot is taking over the job. How can you get prepared? I'm going to tell you that very soon. Number two, employment or grade. A lot of people are working in so many places and be living with other workers or employees on a daily basis. That employees you are living with has been upgrading himself or herself aside and might likely not even tell you because of some people like to keep themselves private. So the only way for you to be on the safer side is to upgrade yourself because I don't want another person working in another department or office or room in your company take over your job and be doing it together because some company want the best. They don't care whether you lose your job or not. So please upgrade yourself so that you won't lose your job to another party. How can you to another party working together in your same place? How can you do that? I'm going to tell you more at the end of this episode. Number three way is quality applicant. In the last 3 years, a lot of people lose their job, especially in the banks, in the even big brand, because of the new applicant so qualified to the extent that no matter how generous you be in the place of your work, they can't continue with you simply because they have received an application from somebody qualified 10 times or 10x far better than you. Imagine all these big company, I won't mention their name, that they want the best, they wanted to sell, they wanted to impact humanity, they wanted to achieve big revenue at the end of every year. So the only way for you to remain their worker is to qualify yourself so that the new applicant that is coming into your company won't take over your job. People are upgrading on a daily basis like crazy, and the only way for you to remain active, for you to remain qualified, for you to remain level up is to get any of the high income skills or reliable businesses aside also for you to have your own side business so that you will be on the safer side even if they eliminated you finally and finally. So all these are the three dangers you need to do, you need to know, and you need to take action on for you to save yourself. Now today is the best day you need to save yourself. Now how can you achieve the latest high income skills or online business? It is as simple as to learn everything at, look at the screen very well, www.worldinternetbillionaires.com. Let me show you how World Internet Billionaire International membership entrepreneurship website looks like. You're going to see it now. So this is the latest. You can see this website purpose. This website will give you access to the most reliable business opportunities, latest high income skills, and success of philosophy. So this is how World Internet Billionaire International Entrepreneurship website look like. So it is as simple as to come down to this website with the address. Look at the screen very well, www.worldinternetbillionaire.com. Learn any of the latest high income skills or create any of the most reliable businesses hiding there. We have a whole lot inside. All you need is to come down here, click register for you to join with a token yearly charges, and you are going to save your job for life by acquiring the income skills or create your own site also that will be giving you for life protection or for life income. So finally and finally, please like this video below so that you will impact others. Please and please do that. Have you done that? Thank you so much. Below this video, follow me immediately and set the highest notification. I used to post one short daily and 2 to 3 videos weekly so that you will gain access to the next entrepreneurship learning video. And lastly, share this video across so that you will impact others. Please let me hear your voice in the comments so that I will know the next thing to correct. And then I'm starting to be corrected. Please let me hear your voice so that we know there's a click link in the description below for you to learn massively in my entrepreneurship private room. Thanks for learning.